Hello, it's me again. I'm not allowed to show my face, but I'm over here, and I really wanted to show you my new kitten. So there she is. So cute. She's 2-3 days old now. Look how cute she is. Her name is Pentunia. See if I can wake her up. She's been sleeping. Just open her eyes. Just open her eyes today. See? There she is. So cute. She doesn't have her bow cord anymore, but this is Pentunia. And, she's just really cute, and I wanted to show you guys it. But, unfortunately, one of the kittens died. It looks sort of like Pentunia, but a little different. She's like all gray, but also stripes. But, well, here she is, Pentunia. And the other one is a boy. It's called Zippy. It kind of looks like this one, except not as gray. She fits right in the palm of my hand. So cute. So, here's Pentunia, and I hope y'all like the video, and we hope to see lots of funny stuff happening with her when she grows up. Then I'll try to post that. She was dreamy. Look at her, she's dreamy. Well, that's that. So, please like and subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Bye.